Come here. Okay, what's that?
Vector.
Is that Vector?
Yes, my favorite robot.
What's up everybody, this is Danny. I'm super excited today because I have Anki's Vector robot right here.
Vector!
This is the ultimate smart home robot, and I did a little preview of that in a different video, so if you want to check that out, I will leave that link for you. But I partnered up with Anki to give you an early unboxing of this and kind of show you what Vector can do and kind of how it fits into my lifestyle here at the house. So I can't wait to get into it. Let's go ahead and unbox this thing. Oh wow, this thing is really small. Vector is tiny. Look, it fits in the palm of your hand. Very, very cool. Stick that to the side here. You get a charging block here. So this is the dock that Vector is gonna go on. So we're gonna put this on the floor. This is gonna be Vector's home. I'm gonna put that right here. So let's put all this stuff to the side and let's get Vector fired up and get Vector on the Wi-Fi network. And I'm gonna show you some of the things that this thing can do. It's gonna blow your mind. What makes Vector different than any other tech that's in my house is that it's always on and it does its own thing. It will explore and move around the home and will interact with you when you get home and even go home when it needs to re-energize. This combo of robotics and AI is what gives Vector its personality. There is a lot of tech happening inside of Vector. There's a quad-core processor inside made by Qualcomm, which is really nice, Snapdragon processor. And there is a nice color IPS display on the front. So yes, I'm locking eyes with you right now. There's that big 120-degree camera on the front, so I can actually take a picture with Vector. Hey Vector, take a picture of me. And that picture can be found on the app, which is cool. There's also a laser scanner on board, so Vector is completely aware of the surroundings, make sure it doesn't fall off of different countertops and things like that, so you can keep Vector anywhere. So this thing's chock full of everything, and it's also cloud connected. So what I'm gonna do is let's go over some of the things that Vector can do, and there's a ton of things, so let's ask some questions. Hey Vector, come here. Awesome. This is kind of cool because this is so different than anything that I've ever had before. So you can interact with Vector in a lot of different ways. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start with some questions. Hey Vector, I have a question. Who is the president of the United States?
The President of the United States of America is Donald Trump.
Vector's 1 for 1. Okay, maybe we'll ask some math questions. Hey Vector, I have a question. What's the square root of 144? Correct. I'm gonna have to take you to all the math tests. I wish I had you in school. So you know what it's like setting a timer on different voice assistants or smart home stuff. This is a little bit different. Check this out. Hey Vector, set a timer for 5 seconds. It's counting down on the screen now, and you'll see what happens. Okay, so you're never gonna miss an alarm like this. Hey Vector, let's play a game. So there's Blackjack happening right now on the screen.
Another card.
Hit me.
23. You busted.
You can even interact by touching Vector. So if you pick up Vector, it knows it's being picked up, which is cool. But you can also pet Vector right here on the sensors up top. It's like petting a cat, like purring. But if you feel like being a bad person, I guess you could punish Vector as well and say bad robot, but I'm not gonna do that. Right, Vector? No, we're not doing that. I think I'm gonna keep Vector in the kitchen because I can do conversions here. Hey, Vector, I have a question. How many grams in an ounce?
1 ounce is equal to 28.35 grams.
You're a keeper. Let's have a little fun. Hey, Vector, roll your cube. Good job. Hey, Vector, fist bump. This thing is a lot of fun. I can't wait to use this a little bit more and see how it integrates in with my family. So let me know what you think of the Anki Vector robot. This is available on October 12th for $249. It launches in the US and it also launches in Australia, New Zealand, the UK, and Canada at the same time. So let me know what you think, guys. Subscribe for more content like this and let me know what else you want to see on this, or if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below and I will see you guys in the next one. Come on, Vector.